Do Xbox controllers need batteries? Xbox controllers are popular for their ergonomic design and functionality, but many users wonder if they need batteries to operate. Here's a detailed explanation of Xbox controller power options and what you need to know. 1. Do Xbox controllers require batteries? Yes, most Xbox wireless controllers require batteries to function unless connected directly via a USB cable. Unlike some other gaming controllers, Xbox controllers do not have built-in rechargeable batteries by default. 2. Which Xbox controllers need batteries? Xbox Series, Xbox S controllers, Xbox One controllers. These controllers are powered by two AA batteries or a rechargeable battery pack. 3. Why do Xbox controllers use batteries? Microsoft's design choice allows users to replace dead batteries quickly without waiting for a recharge. Use rechargeable battery packs for a more sustainable option. Connect via USB cable for power without batteries. Fourth, power options for Xbox controllers. AA batteries. The simplest option, but they need regular replacement. Rechargeable battery packs. Microsoft's Play and Charge Kit provides a rechargeable battery that fits into the controller's battery slot. USB connection. Plugging the controller directly into the Xbox or a PC with a USB cable provides power without batteries. Rechargeable AA batteries. Eco-friendly and cost-effective for long-term use. 5. How long do batteries last in Xbox controllers? AA batteries typically last 30 to 40 hours depending on usage. Rechargeable battery packs last about 20 to 30 hours per full charge. USB connection provides continuous power while connected. 6. Why doesn't Xbox include built-in batteries? Microsoft's decision to use removable batteries offers flexibility for users to choose between disposable and rechargeable options. Longer controller lifespan since batteries can be replaced easily. No downtime during charging with quick battery swaps. 7. How to extend battery life in Xbox controllers. Turn off vibration when not needed. Use a wired connection for long gaming sessions. Power off the controller when not in use. Invest in high-quality rechargeable batteries. 8. Are there Xbox controllers with built-in batteries? Some third-party controllers offer built-in rechargeable batteries, but official Xbox controllers from Microsoft do not. Microsoft continues to provide flexibility with removable power options. Xbox controllers do need batteries unless connected via a USB cable. While they don't have built-in rechargeable batteries, users can choose between disposable AA batteries, rechargeable battery packs, or direct USB power for their gaming needs.